Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. Following the illegal encroachment of immigrants in the state of Himachal Pradesh, the Hindus in the region have taken law and order in their own hands, amounting to vigilantism, driven by the failures of Congress-led Sukhu government. Recently, the administration has been unable to maintain law and order or protect the interests of its people, forcing citizens to take to the streets in protest. The growing outrage over illegal mosques and shrines across the state in recent days is a clear indication that Sukhu government's grip on power is weakening and its days are numbered. The dominance of a particular community in Himachal Pradesh has grown so significantly that now these people are constructing mosques and shrines overnight in various locations. Meanwhile, this illegal activity isn't confined to private land, crossroads, or public spaces. Government land is also being targeted for the construction of these unlawful structures. A forest department team recently tore down a newly constructed mazar of Lagdatta Pier in Hamirpur's Shastri area, which had been illegally erected overnight. The controversy over this blatant encroachment on forest land erupted when someone posted photos on social media, igniting outrage within the Hindu community and fueling rising tensions. But what's truly shocking is that this is happening in Hamirpur, the home district of Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu. Yet, such incidents continue unchecked under his very nose. Moreover, the Hindu Jagran Manch has exposed a shocking reality. Before COVID, the state had 393 mosques. But now, after the pandemic, that number has skyrocketed to 520, an outrageous increase of 127 new mosques during the pandemic alone. This explosive surge in mosques is directly attributed to the rapidly swelling Muslim population, and it's a clear sign of demographic shift that can't be ignored. After numerous reports of illegal mosques cropping up across the hilly state, massive protests are now erupting against the unlawful Jama Masjid on Sri Ram streets in Kullu. Certain organizations have exposed that Kullu Municipal Council has been aware since 2017 that this mosque was constructed illegally on Khadi and village industries land. The Jama Masjid in Akhada Bazaar, originally a single-story building erected between 1990 to 1991, was brazenly rebuilt in 2017 into a 4-story monstrosity. This unchecked expansion and blatant disregard for the law are fueling widespread outrage. In the meantime, here are some important questions for the Sukhu government. Are they completely blind to the chaos unfolding in the state? The government has been unable to pay salaries and pensions to its employees on time, while the state's demographics are rapidly shifting. The government has been unable to pay salaries and pensions to its employees, while the state's demographics are rapidly shifting. Illegal immigrants are flooding in and legal citizens are left vulnerable. And what's the Sukhu government doing about it?